you tired of popping pills to prevent unwanted pregnancies? Or you're the type that does not like family planning because of its numerous side effects? Then this video is for you. It's going to help you understand your menstrual cycle and the safe periods to have sex. Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is Eze Cynthia Chinyere, a health educator that doubles as a pharmacy technician. And in this channel, we talk about all-round health and how to benefit our lives generally. So let's dive right into this video. To understand safe and unsafe periods, you need to understand your menstrual cycle. That's the truth about it. Now, what is your menstrual cycle? This is the changes that occur in the female reproductive system to get it ready for pregnancy every month. Now, these changes result from the increase and decrease in the levels of the female hormones in the body, which is the progesterone and estrogen. Every month, an egg develops and is released from the ovaries, and the uterine lining forms in preparation for the implementation of a fertilized egg. Now, if implementation does not occur, the uterine lining is being shed and you get periods. It's as simple as that. That being said, what is a safe period? A safe period is when a woman has the least chances of getting pregnant. And by no means does this provide complete protection against pregnancy, since it has been seen that intercourse itself may trigger ovulation. Woman conceives if she copulates within the time of ovulation. Hence, the time of ovulation is what is not generally known as unsafe periods to have sexual intercourse. So apparently, for you to know your safe periods, you have to be able to calculate your time of ovulation. Now, I know this is the part all of you have been waiting for, but I always advise that for you to be accurate with your calculation, you have to be continuous. You have to use a 6-month menstrual cycle. You have to keep counting these days for 6 months continuously, because with a record of 6 menstrual cycles, you can be rest assured to get it right. As long as other factors like use of contraceptives, infections, and the rest do not occur, you are sure of getting it right. We are going to be using a woman with a 28 to 30 day cycle to do this calculation. Now, for a woman with a 28 to 30 day cycle, ovulation occurs between the 10th to 14th day. Though sources have shown that there are still chances of getting pregnant up until the 21st day. So my sister, do not go and use 10th to 14th day to do your calculation. We are going to be using the 10th to the 24th day of your menstrual cycle. So the first day of your menstrual cycle to the 9th day of your menstrual cycle is safe period 1. Now, from the 10th day to the 21st day is the period when you should be ovulating and is tagged unsafe periods. Please use a protection during this period to avoid stories that touches the heart. Now, from the 22nd day up until the next day of your menstruation is now seen as safe period number 2. So it's as simple as that. So from the first day till the 9th day, and again from the 22nd day to the next day of your menstruation, are considered 2 safe periods to have sex. So you have 2 chances to get it right, sis. Stop popping pills if you don't want to use the family planning method, or you are the type that has one partner and do not want to use condoms. Use this to prevent stories that touches the heart. It's simple. And keep in mind that this calculation is for women with a fairly constant menstrual cycle. Not you that is treating infection today, tomorrow you are popping pills. So your menstrual cycle has to be constant for you to use this calculation. So you don't go and say, Cynthia told me that this. Did you calculate properly? Did you use 6 months continuous record tracking to do this? Thank you, my loves, for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and share it to people that would need this important piece of information. Now, I want you guys to go to the comment section, leave your comments on what you think about this video and other topics you want me to discuss on. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.